Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussizz group. My name is Malcolm and I'm your PT coach. Friends, I'm very happy today. I have Preeti with me. She recently took the PT academic test and has got a fantastic score of 83 out of 90. In speaking, she has got a perfect 90, which is a band 9 equivalent score in IELTS. In writing, she has got 80. In listening, she has got 81. And finally, reading again, she has got 88 out of 90, which is again a band 9 score. It is excellent. So many congratulations firstly to you, Preeti. And if you could just introduce yourself to our viewers, please.
Hi friends, my name is Preeti and I'm from India, like Malcolm said, and I've just graduated. I've done my post-graduation from here, and
Right.
I recently took my PT exam and I got my desired result, which is excellent. I'm happy for that and thankful to Aussizz group.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, Preeti. I'd also like to ask you, you've taken the test before as well, but you just missed out narrowly, very narrowly.
Yep.
So this time you've got your required score. So after getting the score, first thing is, what would you like to tell to so many people who will be watching this video? Is it that difficult to get, or is it easy? Or what is the one thing which you need to get that score?
It is not that difficult.
True.
It's just that you have to be very focused at that time.
Right.
It requires your attention. It demands that. If you're not if you're thinking about something else and if you're stressed out, then I'm sure you'll miss out something.
Right. And you just opted for the 2 weeks coaching. So how was the coaching experience, if you could share with the viewers?
I think it was quite helpful. There were some techniques, there were some things that Malcolm told me which really actually helped me, because it's a software and
Right.
you have to fool it in
That's
one way or other. There were so many things you have to say in conclusion,
Right.
though you don't know what the conclusion is going to be. So there were so many things that actually helped me.
Thank you. And last but not the least, would you like to recommend Aussizz group to the viewers who are viewing the video right now for PT coaching?
I would surely love to recommend Aussizz group, because I think you obviously need some training, you need some basic knowledge before going to the exam. I
Right.
think.
So friends, as she correctly said, even she's excellent at English. English was never a problem for her. I don't think it is for her here right now. But maybe she was missing out maybe in the speaking module before.
Yeah.
If you don't speak in the right way, it's a bit difficult to get your required score. Right. And yes, you'd like to
Yeah,
add something?
because Aussizz group tell us how to speak. It's not just sometimes we speak and we think that that's the correct manner of speaking.
Right.
And, you stress so much on things and stuff, but it really is not the case
Yes,
in the real test.
Pretty
yeah.
easy to get the score. If
Pretty
you follow the
easy.
basics, it's pretty easy to get the score.
If you fool the computer, pretty easy.
Well, thank you so much, Preeti, for your candid feedback. And just a small token of appreciation for you, we have a small gift for you as well. So many congratulations.
Thank
We're
you.
really happy
Thank
for
you,
you as
Malcolm.
well.
Thank you to
Thank
Aussizz
you.
group for this.
Thank you. So friends, what are we waiting for? If Preeti can get her score, so can you. It's a very easy test. Nothing is difficult in this test. And whatever your target score it be it 6, 7, 8 or 9 each, just remember 2 words, and that is Aussizz group, Aussizz PT coaching. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Thank you,
And thank you
Malcolm.
so much for viewing the video, friends. Think PT, think Aussizz. Thank you.